Are you planning on buying a house in 2024, but since this is your first time, you're confused? Well, you're in the right channel because I will be sharing crucial tips for buying your first home. The step-by-step process explained. Whether you're a first-time buyer or just someone who is here to refresh your memory, learning about the home buying process for first-time buyers is key to finally getting rid of your annoying landlord, who in some cases would expect you to tip them. These are the tips every first-time home buyer should be aware of. Hi, I'm Lily Vallario, team leader of the Sold by Lily team. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will take you step by step through the home buying process from start to finish, providing you with the knowledge and confidence to go through this adventure of buying your first home. We will provide you with valuable insights and tips for your buying a new home checklist. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel to stay updated with the best tips and tricks related to real estate. One of the best things you can do in your life is own a house. Whether for the first time or for the 1,000th times, it's something that makes anyone happy. However, the entire procedure can come off as overwhelming for a lot of people, especially first-time home buyers. However, with this guide, you can learn all the home buying processes from start to finish. Please keep in mind that to make things easier, I will take Gaithersburg, Maryland as an example. So let's dive into everything one by one. The first step is understanding your financial readiness. To evaluate your financial readiness to purchase a home, for example, in Gaithersburg, research the cost of living, average home prices, property taxes, and local financial aid programs. Improve your credit score by paying your bills on time, reducing your credit utilization, and monitoring your credit reports. Get free professional financial advice with the Financial Empowerment Center and Cafe Montgomery, Maryland in Gaithersburg. These tips, along with the resources available, will improve your understanding of financial preparation. The second step is to gauge the area's real estate market. For example, in October of 2023, Gaithersburg real estate market saw a median home sold price of $515,000, a 14.4% increase from the previous year. Desirable neighborhoods like Kentlands, Crown Farm, and Washington Grove offer excellent education and community atmospheres, and areas like Old Town Gaithersburg and Rio provide vibrant amenities. Staying informed on the local developments will help you decide the ideal area for your first home in Gaithersburg. Securing a mortgage pre-approval is vital in the competitive real estate scene. Local lenders in Gaithersburg like Homespire Mortgage, Homeside Mortgage, George Mason, The Mortgage Link, among others, offer tailored pre-approval services. Choose reputable lenders and explore specific programs for first-time Maryland homebuyers. Prepare essential documents such as income verification, credit history, and asset details. Additionally, leverage the Gaithersburg Financial Empowerment Center for free financial coaching. With a pre-approval, you enhance your standing in the Gaithersburg market and streamline your home buying journey. Next, you need a real estate agent who knows what he or she is doing. In Maryland's competitive real estate market, a local real estate agent plays a crucial role, aiding in-house location, evaluation, and proposal presentation. Choose an agent through recommendations and a track record of success to ensure a successful home buying experience. The next vital step in the home buying process is the home inspection. This step is crucial because it assesses both environmental and structural aspects, taking into account potential weather-related challenges and the age of the property. A comprehensive home inspection covers common issues such as roofing, plumbing, electrical, and HVAC systems. Detecting problems during these inspections is essential. This knowledge equips you making informed decisions as you navigate Gaithersburg's competitive real estate market. The real estate closing process is the final step in the home buying process before the property is officially yours. In Maryland, the typical closing process involves steps like offer and acceptance, a home inspection, mortgage approval, title search and insurance, and the final closing where ownership is transferred. When it comes to real estate transactions in Maryland, there are crucial aspects to consider, such as transfer and recordation taxes. One key player in this process is the title company, which plays an integral role in conducting thorough title searches. Additionally, having title insurance is of utmost importance as it provides essential protection against potential future title-related issues. In Gaithersburg's competitive real estate market, crafting a winning offer involves strategic considerations. A mortgage pre-approval from a reputable lender and understanding market trends is essential. Acknowledging the fast-paced nature of the market, buyers may choose to waive contingencies to be more competitive. flexibility with closing timelines, and understanding the seller's perspective can enhance your offer. Employing these strategies will give buyers a competitive edge in the dynamic real estate landscape. When it comes to buying a home, having a firm grasp of local legal considerations is absolutely crucial. This includes understanding specific regulations and necessary disclosures. While the involvement of a real estate attorney is not mandatory, their expertise can be incredibly valuable, especially in complex transactions. Future resale value is the expected monetary value that a property is expected to have when it is later resold on the real estate market. The value is affected by factors such as location, amenities, and general market trends. In Gaithersburg, factors like school districts, amenities, and neighborhood development significantly influence resale values. Long-term property value can be enhanced through strategic renovations, regular maintenance, and staying informed about the local real estate market trends in Maryland. Your work is quite done with the last 9 tips. However, here are a few bonus tips after purchasing. Set up your utilities immediately after closing. Familiarize yourself with the property tax assessment process in Maryland. You may be eligible for certain tax credits or deductions that can help reduce your annual property taxes. Prepare for unexpected home expenses and create a maintenance schedule to handle tasks like cleaning gutters, servicing HVAC systems, and promptly attending to minor repairs. Congratulations! You've now navigated the essential steps in buying your first home. Remember, each step is a milestone, whether it's understanding your finances, exploring the real estate market, securing a mortgage, or dealing with legal aspects. Gaithersburg, Maryland is my example, but these tips are universally valuable. So embrace the journey, stay informed, and make your homeownership experience a success. If you're looking for more valuable tips on buying your first home, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Stay connected with me on my social media platforms to keep up to date with all things related to your first home purchase. If you found this video helpful, please show your support by clicking the like button. I'm Lily Vallario, team leader of the Sold by Lily team, and you can easily reach out to me using the contact details provided in the description box below. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section, and I will be delighted to provide answers. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.